If you're over 60 and wondering if strength training is really for you, let me tell you, it absolutely is. Maybe you've noticed it's a little tougher to get up from a chair, or you feel a bit unsteady on your feet. That's not just you. Muscle naturally shrinks with age, a process called sarcopenia, and it can sneak up on anyone. But here's the good news. You can fight back, starting today. Strength training after 60 isn't about becoming a bodybuilder or lifting massive weights. It's about maintaining independence, protecting your bones, boosting your balance, and even sharpening your mind. Studies show it helps keep diabetes and heart disease at bay, improves your posture and metabolism, and adds years, quality years, to your life. Now you might be thinking, but I've never lifted weights in my life. That's okay. Experts like Dr. Alyssa Kuhn and Dr. Michael Fredrickson say it's never too late to start. Even if you've been on the sidelines, you can still see meaningful changes. So how do you begin? Step 1. Check in with your doctor, especially if you haven't exercised in a while or have any chronic conditions. Safety first. Once you get the green light, start slow. I mean, really slow. Your own body weight is enough at the beginning. Think squats from a chair, wall push-ups, gentle step-ups. These moves build a solid foundation without fancy equipment. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions a week with at least one rest day in between. Each exercise? Start with 1 or 2 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Don't rush to add weight. Focus on your form. Proper technique protects you from injury and gets you stronger, faster. Here's a simple routine to try. For your legs, do sit-to-stands or wall squats. For your upper body, try wall push-ups and light bicep curls. Water bottles work just fine. For your core, give seated marches or side leg lifts a go. And don't forget balance. Practice standing on one leg or walking heel to toe down your hallway. Warm up before you start and cool down when you're done. 5 to 10 minutes of gentle movement or stretching is plenty. Listen to your body. Mild soreness is normal, but pain means you should stop. Stay consistent and you'll see results. If you're worried or want a little extra support, consider meeting with a certified trainer. They can tailor exercises just for you and help you feel confident. And let's bust a couple of myths. Strength training is safe for older adults when done right. You don't need a gym membership. Most exercises can be done right in your living room. New research is clear. Strength training reduces muscle loss and really does improve your quality of life, no matter when you start. So here's my message. Don't let age hold you back. Start slow, focus on your form, stay consistent, and celebrate every win along the way. It's never too late to get stronger, healthier, and more independent. Your future self will thank you.